Hello, new moms. Let's talk about the postpartum changes that happened shortly after delivery. From the very moment your baby comes out, your postpartum period begins. Begin to experience several changes physically and emotionally. Let's talk about a few of them, okay? So, immediately after you give birth, you still have some vaginal discharge, and initially it is red and then gradually it turns brownish until it gets to whitish or clear. That should happen within the first 6 weeks after delivery. Also, you notice night sweat. Sure to also experience some afterbirth pains, abdominal cramps especially, because your uterus is trying to shrink back to its normal size. If you delivered via cesarean section, your suture will be a bit painful and numb. You're sure to receive painkillers to kind of reduce the pain at that point, but you feel light pain. Depending on your pain threshold. If you delivered vaginally, that place will be sore. Sometimes it will be swollen and painful, but it will wear out after some time. You find it difficult to pass gas and poop, especially if you had a cesarean section and episiotomy, because you've had some surgical procedures done down there one way or the other. Because of the pain, you might find it difficult to be able to excrete normally. You also have tender breast. You experience some breast changes like swelling of the breast, hardening of the breast because of the engorgement of the breast at that time. Sometimes your nipple will be sore, especially when your baby is latching initially, but it gets better with time. Another thing some people experience is going to be the postpartum blues. Sometimes it can progress to depression, postpartum depression. So you have to be wary of that. The baby blues lasts within the first few weeks after delivery, and it's just some sadness. Sometimes you feel very sad, anxious, you're just nervous unnecessarily. It's good to have enough rest because that is going to help you a whole lot. While the postpartum depression lasts a bit longer than that, it can come anywhere between from birth to 1 year. You begin to have very scary thoughts. You lose interest in the things that normally interest you. Some people go ahead to have evil or ill thoughts against their child. You have the feeling of maybe flinging your baby away, maybe throwing her from the stairs. Please seek help if it gets that bad, depending on the severity. Even if it's just light, please just seek help. One other thing that many people experience is going to be the hair loss. Postpartum hair loss, I think, is a topic on its own, but it's something that a lot of women face. That is excessive shedding of hair immediately after delivery. Some people get enough hair. Their hair grows so well when they're pregnant, but as soon as you give birth, you realize that it begins to fall off. Right now, I don't even think I have any hairline because the entire hair is gone. There are a lot of myths. People say that it's because your